What's up, YouTube? We back. It was a little cold in the morning, but man, it settled down. It's getting hot again, but now back to business. So previous video, I think, was that we made the LED bars. I had ordered these clips that were supposed to be badass, but man, them things were just garbage, man. So I ended up just ordering these guys right here, and I got them yesterday, and I went ahead and connected them, and I actually siliconed them down, and I zip tied them down so they can dry, and then I cut the zip ties off just a little while ago. Same thing with the overhead console. I siliconed it down, and I had wrap taped around it and let it sit, and I had made a connection, and I what's that, heat shielded right there. I mean, I can probably keep melting it, but it should sit up there all right. I don't want to put too much pressure and make the wires get loose or anything. So I actually saved myself a lot of time doing that last night. I didn't record it because I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. But today we are going to take off the grill, and we're going to put the light to make the part right here glow, and then we're going to do the lights underneath the bottom, and then I just got to figure out what am I going to do for the back. But we're going to mount those up, run the wires, run some power, and get the lights pretty much done. Alright, so for the front right here, I am not going to do a metal bar. So what I'm going to do, there's a nice flat area. I could mount them with the bar to get a solid flat mount, but the lights are going to be like facing like towards the back, and it'll still glow, but it won't give me that pure glow. But there's this flat area where I can get some lights in it, but it has like grease and stuff on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it, scrub it real quick with some grease and soap, or like the soap to get the grease out. Then I'm going to clean it with the alcohol, and then get the high tech on it so the sticky tape will stick to it, and then I'm going to run silicone on it. But I'm going to silicone the clips on it too, so the clips don't like flop around and like never get unplugged. So I'm going to do that real quick, then mount the light, then mount the one at the back, and those should be the pretty hard ones. Take this grill out too, and so I'm going to do the harder parts right now. So then when I do the side ones, those got the side brackets, so those will just screw up, and those are ready to rock and roll. It should take me less, and then run the wires to everything, and I think we should be ready to rock and roll. So subscribe, man, stay tuned, let's get on it. These are the tools I will be using today. So I have my crimpers, I have my strippers. These are the new actual connectors that I had got. These are really awesome because the wire of this right here goes tucked in underneath it, and it makes a solid connection. So we got real nice RGB cable, plug connectors, and a razor blades where we got a good amount of them. So these are going to be the tools that you're going to need, plus a drill. I got self tappers to mount the lights up. So these are just basic wiring tools that you're going to need to make the lights go up, and man, we'll get this job done, man. So we got the front lights done, the bottom one's down there too. So we have just put up one of the bars that I made, and man, that thing is never falling down at all. Let me see if I can. My truck's dirty, my bad, y'all. Look, you see it? It goes all the way down over there. That thing is like self-tap. What I did is I self-tap it, and around the hole where the self-tapper goes through, I just put a dab of silicone on it, and man, like, that thing is in there. That thing ain't falling down. We got 3 good self-tappers on it, and I just wanted to show you guys. Look at that. All the way down to the back. Like, that thing is gonna like light up pretty good. It's a long strip, and I'm pretty impressed with the bar that it held up as badass as it did. So highly recommend for you guys, if you do LED strips, take the time and make the bars, take the time and silicone the lights down, and man, flawless installation. You'll have like a little bit of glob here and there, but it's clear silicone, and those lights will glow through it. So, but if you're pretty neat with it, you can just slide your hand and take a lot of the excess off, man. But I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire these up, and then I'm just gonna go along, you know, so I end up doing at the driver's seat, so then I can track the wire inside the vehicle and connect the brain. So let me get on it real quick. All the lights are in, they're all connected. So let me explain to you real quick. So basically it goes from RF controller, then it feeds from here, loops around, connects to the light in the back, passes current through it, goes from here all the way, passes through here, goes from that bottom, then loops back around, and it lights up the grill part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and connect this RF brain controller, if you want to call it. I looked up a lot of the other ones, and I looked at this one was pretty good, and it's like metal, it's not plastic. So, and it has the little screw inputs for the wires and plus the controller down there. So I'm gonna run power and ground to that constant because I want to be able to have the lights on when the truck's not running. So basically all we got to do is from, let me see, that bottom right there, we just got to connect wires going in from there, going inside the bottom of the floor, silicone it up so water never comes through it, and connect them all up. So let's get on it real quick. I just got done wiring everything up. Man, let me tell you, these lights are not as easy as it probably seems. It does take a lot of work, man. I think I started like 9 o'clock, the initial install of like mounting the lights and everything, and I did like priority stuff. So the front one needed to be silicone down, so I did that one. The back one needed to get silicone down, so I mounted that one and let those dry as I went. Like I said, I did like a whole loop around. Just got done wiring them up, and we got lights, guys. Look at this. That at night, that thing's gonna glow really nice. Like the bottom's already out there glowing. The bottom looks good. The back is glowing pretty nice. And the sides are glowing pretty nice too. The inside, I actually put a toggle switch because I don't want to be riding with the thing flashing like that, so I just did an on and off switch on it. And I mean, it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go put the truck back together, and then I am gonna, wash her up and get her ready, clean her up pretty nice. I'm waiting for the lights to come in for here, so everything will be glowing by the night, and show you guys what it looks like tonight. I'm gonna wash it up, man, get it dirty so it looks nice when I take a little video. So man, subscribe, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Look, that thing's already glowing. It ain't even nighttime. So we're fixing to bust out the pressure washer, and I bought some cleaning stuff. And before I had left, I got the headlight bulbs in. All right, so we're gonna do the lights right now, man. Subscribe.
I see the aimless, I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.